What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into the most shocking, stomach-churning things hotel staff have found after guests check out. I spoke to workers from budget motels to luxury resorts, and their stories will make you rethink your next hotel stay. We're counting down the 7 most horrifying gross discoveries ever left behind. From hidden horrors to biohazards, you might never look at a hotel room the same way again. If you love wild stories, hit that subscribe button. Let's jump right into the first disgusting discovery. Number 7 is both disgusting and baffling. Let's talk about the infamous hidden used diaper. Picture this. You're a housekeeper starting your shift, expecting to find maybe a forgotten sock or a misplaced remote. But instead, you open a nightstand drawer and are greeted by the unmistakable sight and smell of a soiled diaper. It's not just drawers either. Despite the fact that there are trash cans in every room, some guests go out of their way to stash dirty diapers in the most bizarre places. Closets, under beds, and yes, even inside the mini fridge. It's as if they're playing a twisted game of hide and seek. The smell alone is enough to make anyone gag, but it's also a serious biohazard. Housekeeping staff have to suit up with gloves and masks just to deal with the mess. And sometimes the odor lingers long after the diaper is gone. You might think this is a rare occurrence, but shockingly, it happens way more often than you'd expect. Housekeepers swap stories about these finds all the time. One housekeeper even discovered 3 used diapers stuffed right next to the hotel Bible. If that's not the definition of irony, I don't know what is. And let's be clear, it's not forgetfulness. This is a deliberate, gross surprise left behind for the next unsuspecting person to find. After finding a hidden diaper, staff can't just toss it out. They have to deep clean and disinfect the entire area to eliminate bacteria, stains, and lingering odors. It's a time-consuming process that takes away from other important cleaning tasks. For housekeepers, it's an extra, unnecessary task that piles on stress to an already demanding job. It's exhausting, both physically and mentally. Why do people do this? No one really knows. Some say it's pure laziness. Others think it's a weird act of malice or maybe just a lack of respect for hotel staff. There's even speculation that some guests hide diapers to cover up evidence from a partner, or simply because they don't want to deal with the trash themselves. Whatever the motivation, it's a disgusting trend that continues to baffle even the most seasoned hotel workers who have seen just about everything. So next time you're staying in a hotel, remember, someone has to clean up after you, and a little consideration goes a long way. Please, just use the trash can. It's there for a reason, and it makes everyone's life easier. It's a simple request, but clearly some people need the reminder more than others. Don't be the reason a housekeeper questions their faith in humanity or dreads opening another drawer. It's a truly revolting way to kick off our list of hotel horrors, and unfortunately, it's all too real. Let's move on to the next horror. End scene. Number 6 is the dreaded overflowing toilet, a nightmare scenario for any hotel staff member, and a story that's become legendary in the industry. We're not talking about a simple clog here. This is a full-on sewage disaster, the kind that turns a regular workday into a crisis. Some guests, either out of embarrassment or denial, keep using a broken toilet, creating what can only be described as a biohazard bomb for the unsuspecting staff. Housekeepers open the door to a wave of foul smell and are greeted by a horrifying sight. Waste and toilet paper flooding the bathroom, sometimes even soaking into the carpet and spreading the mess further. The worst part? Guests often see the problem and just keep flushing, hoping it'll magically fix itself, but only making it worse with every push of the handle. One manager told me about a family who left a bathroom in such a state. The contaminated water seeped under the door, ruining the carpet and even reaching the hallway. The room was out of commission for a week, costing thousands in cleanup, repairs, and lost revenue, not to mention the stress for everyone involved. Staff have to suit up in boots, gloves, and masks just to start cleaning, turning a simple housekeeping job into a hazardous operation. It's not just gross, it's a serious health risk, requiring industrial-strength disinfectants and sometimes even professional biohazard teams. If your hotel toilet clogs, don't be embarrassed. Just call the front desk right away. It's what they're there for, and it saves everyone a lot of trouble. They'd much rather fix a simple clog in a few minutes than deal with a full-blown flood that could shut down a room for days. Save everyone the headache and the horror by reporting problems early and avoiding a disaster. Don't make it onto a list like this. Trust me, you don't want to be remembered for the toilet tsunami. On to the next disgusting discovery, because believe it or not, it only gets wilder from here. End scene. Number 5 is the rotting food science experiment under the bed. Housekeepers often follow their nose to a hidden, decaying meal. Pizza boxes, seafood boils, or fast food bags left to fester. The smell is unmistakable and can seep into the carpet and mattress. One worker found a leaking bag of leftover crabs and shrimp after 3 days. Cleanup was a nightmare. Sometimes the mattress has to be replaced because the odor won't come out. Why do people hide food under the bed? Some say it's to hide evidence or just pure laziness. Whatever the reason, it creates a disgusting ordeal for staff. They have to carefully remove the mess, deep clean, and sometimes replace furniture. Your hotel room has a trash can for a reason. Use it. If you have a big box or bag, just leave it by the trash. Staff will take care of it. Don't create a compost pile for the next guest. Let's keep moving. Things are only getting grosser. End scene. Number 4 is a serious biohazard, blood-stained sheets. This is one of the most unsettling things a housekeeper can discover in a hotel room, and it's not as rare as you might hope. We're not talking about a tiny spot. These are large, alarming stains that turn a routine cleaning into a genuine health risk. The sight alone can be shocking, and it immediately raises concerns about what happened in the room. Housekeepers are trained to stop immediately and alert supervisors when they see this. It's a strict protocol, and for good reason. Bodily fluids can carry dangerous pathogens. The room is treated like a potential crime scene, and staff must wear full protective gear. Gloves, masks, and gowns become essential, not optional. The linens are bagged as biohazard and often incinerated. There's no taking chances with contamination. Everything is handled with extreme caution. One manager recalled a guest with a medical emergency who left the bed looking like a horror movie. Cleanup took all day. The staff had to deep clean every surface, and the room was out of service for hours. Sometimes it's accidents, sometimes it's something else, but staff are left to handle the aftermath. No matter the cause, the cleanup is always intense and stressful. It's a stark reminder of the risks hotel workers face every day. They never know what they'll find behind a closed door, and it takes a toll. The psychological toll is real. Housekeepers aren't crime scene investigators, but sometimes it feels that way. The stress and anxiety can linger long after the mess is gone. If you ever have an accident, just let the front desk know discreetly. It's nothing to be ashamed of. And it helps everyone involved. It helps staff take proper precautions and keeps everyone safe. A little honesty goes a long way in protecting the people who work so hard behind the scenes. Respect the people who make your stay comfortable. Their job is far more challenging than most guests realize. On to the next bizarre mess. Because in hotels, you never know what's waiting in the next room. End scene. Number 3 is the mystery stain. Bizarre, unidentifiable splatters on walls, ceilings, and carpets. Housekeepers walk in to find strange colors, sticky substances, and weird patterns that defy explanation. One cleaner found green, greasy handprints leading from the bed to the bathroom. No one ever figured out what it was. Carpets are especially bad. Bleach circles, melted crayons, and worst of all, mystery fluids. Sometimes stains are 10 feet up the wall or splattered behind the headboard. Each one is a unique, disgusting puzzle. Staff have to try different cleaners and sometimes call in professionals to repaint or replace carpet. These stains tell a story no one wants to read. Housekeepers just wish guests would be more careful, or at least clean up their own messes. It's a constant source of wonder and disgust. Let's see what's next on the list. End scene, 15. Number 2 isn't just gross. It's dangerous drug paraphernalia left behind. Housekeepers sometimes find used needles, burnt spoons, or baggies hidden in drawers or under mattresses. The biggest risk is a needle stick injury, which can mean months of medical testing and anxiety. Hotels have strict protocols. If staff find anything suspicious, they stop, secure the room, and call management or police. One manager found a full kit left on the bathroom counter. Law enforcement had to handle it. Beyond needles, drug residue can linger on surfaces and in vents, requiring deep cleaning. It's a costly, stressful situation that puts staff at real risk, all because of a guest's carelessness or addiction. Hotel workers want to create a safe, welcoming space, not a hazmat zone. Respect the people who clean up after you. We've reached the grossest discovery of all. End scene. 16. Number 1 is the stuff of nightmares. Dead animals or full-blown pest infestations. Staff have found everything from deceased pets left behind to wild animals like raccoons trapped under the bed. The smell and cleanup are indescribable, often requiring professional services. But infestations are even worse. Bedbugs are a hotel's worst nightmare. If found, the room is sealed, and everything inside may be destroyed or treated. Adjacent rooms must be inspected, and a single case can cost tens of thousands and ruin a hotel's reputation. Staff risk taking pests home with them. Other infestations include fleas, cockroaches, and ants. One room was so filthy, a massive ant colony moved in. The room had to be fumigated and was out of service for days. It's a level of filth that's hard to imagine, let alone clean. These discoveries are a reminder. Respect the space and the people who care for it. End scene. 18. That's it. The 7 grossest things hotel staff have ever found. Next time you check in, remember the hard work housekeepers do to keep your stay clean and safe. A little tidiness and respect go a long way. Leave a tip or a thank you note. It'll make someone's day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Share your wildest hotel story in the comments. Stay safe, be kind, and see you in the next one. End scene.